This is the brief on aviation regulations, maintenance forms, and records. For every single maintenance action, it all comes down to compliance. It's about keeping flights safe by using the right data, keeping perfect records, and making sure every part is the real deal. First up, let's talk about data. See, the kind of job you're doing dictates the data you need. For minor repairs, you just need what's called acceptable data. Think manufacturer's manuals. You just log it and you're good to go. But, and this is a big but, for any major repair or alteration, you've got to use approved data. We're talking stuff that has a specific FAA sign-off, like airworthiness directives or supplemental type certificates. Second, let's get into the paperwork. After the work's done, you have to log it. Any major repair or alteration absolutely requires an FAA Form 337. No exceptions. And want to know if a plane's ready to fly? You gotta dig into those maintenance records to check its inspection status. Oh, and if any equipment is inoperative, it has to be clearly placarded. That's non-negotiable. And finally, you gotta verify the parts. Every replacement part needs to be permanently marked under its specific approval, like a PMA or TSO, to prove it conforms. And remember, as the technician, you're on the hook for everything listed in the airworthiness limitation section of the manual. So, knowing your data, nailing that paperwork, and checking your parts, those are the keys to guaranteeing continued airworthiness.